Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's go ahead and learn how you can unpair your Apple Watch Ultra completely from your iPhone before you want to give it to somebody else or before you want to sell it without even giving the activation lock. Now, there's just two different ways that you guys can follow. Well, if you just grab your Apple Watch and if you just go to your settings and if you scroll down to general and choose this option called reset, then you can have a little bit of trouble. Now, if you erase all the data and content from your Apple Watch, then the person you're trying to sell or give it to, well, he or she needs to remove the activation lock when they're going to pair this Apple Watch with their device. However, though, there's one more way that you guys can follow. In that way, this is not going to ask you for the activation lock. Well, this process requires your iPhone. Now, on your iPhone here, you want to head over to Watch application, scroll down to general, then scroll down here and simply tap reset. Now tap erase Apple Watch content and setting here, tap erase all content and settings, do it again. Now this is going to ask you for Apple ID password. Now simply come over here and enter your Apple ID password over here. Well, once you just enter your Apple ID password here, tap erase. Now this is going to erase your Apple Watch and this is going to unpair it from your iPhone. Well, after that, your Apple Watch is going to take a restart and come right on the setup mode. Now you can set it up with the new device or you can sell it to anybody that you want. And that's what you guys need to do if you unpair it and erase it completely without having the activation lock on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.